Hey everybody, good morning. So this morning Todd and we got up before sunrise to start heading out towards White Pocket. The White Pocket is actually a rock formation area in northern Arizona. So it's about 35 miles as the crow flies from Kanab, but as the car drives it's about twice that. Saying we have 35 miles or so, take us an hour and 46 minutes. And we'll be on some dirt roads pretty soon. Good thing we have a Jeep with us, huh? If you're not lucky enough to be one of the 10 people per day to get in on the wave, then White Pocket is probably your best alternative.
Breathing hardly, bed called me, playing freaky, and let's chase some butterflies down in the park. You love me like you did in the past. Go crazy, embrace it. No rules, no my tempo. All I wanna do is you now. You're shaking my mind to the wild. Hold me hard and mellow. Here's the tip: if you come here without a four-wheel drive, you'll be hiking a lot because these roads are pretty impassable to most vehicles. We're a little lost. We're not sure if this is the right way or not. We have our map here, but we're not sure if this is the road that it's saying we should take. And I'm gonna wait for you. I'm gonna wait for you. Play with me through the fire.
I found some fairly deep sand.
And I'm gonna wait for you. 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 I'm gonna wait for you.
This is interesting. Oh, there's a gate. You gotta
Keep it naughty
yeah.
till the morning. The things you wanna do with me now. I'll give you everything if you try. Still Mason, stop chasing. Undress me, come closer. All I wanna do with you now. You're shaking my mind to the wild. Hold me hard and mellow, baby.
We're finally within sight of it. Oh. That was like the longest 30 miles I've ever experienced, but here we are in White Pocket. It's such like a large area too. There's so much to explore. I don't even know where to start. I hope I can climb that one though. Here's a tip for driving to White Pocket. Don't trust Google Maps to take you the best way there. It will take you there, but not necessarily the best way. You might just run into big rocks on the road or deep sand that you'd have a tough time getting out of. Again, take a 4x4.
I'm gonna wait for you. Hold me hard and mellow, baby. And I'm gonna wait for you. I'm gonna wait for you. Play with me through the fire daily. And I'm gonna wait for you. I'm gonna wait for you.
Really weird how these rocks are shaped.
Yeah.
You know how in some movies they have those fictional monsters that are made of rocks? Well, this is exactly what they look like, so kind of feels like they're about to wake up and start terrorizing us. So in between these two rock monsters is kind of where we have that wave-like formation. This makes it a pretty good alternative to the actual wave if you're not one of those 10 people that are picked for it. It's like climbing up a bunch of turtle shells. Yep. Whew. It's a bit harder to get up these than it looks, actually. The awesome thing we have going on here is is that we have all this area. It's huge. We have it all to ourselves. It is just us. It is so quiet here. And it's a clear day. I don't think we could have asked for anything better. Yeah, getting down these rocks, whew, it is a different story than climbing up. Okay, I think we're good. Another tip when coming here, wear shoes with very good traction. You okay, Todd? Yeah, be careful there. Guys, look at how crazily this stuff just swirls. Wow, incredible. Here's another tip for White Pocket. Pack water and pack sunscreen. Another great thing about this place is that I haven't seen one piece of garbage laying anywhere. Let that be a lesson to you. Whatever you bring in, take out with you. Leave only your footprints. Wow, you guys, it is so hard to get to White Pocket, but it is so worth it. This place is incredible. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe to see more from Northern Arizona and Southern Utah. Got more awesome stuff to show you. Thumbs up if you like it.